most favorite books of Materia Medica, which has changed my perception about reading the remedies, understanding the remedies. So, like I said, Dr. Rajan Shankaran gives you entire situational Materia Medica, how the person behaves, why he behaves, where he belongs in, in the kingdom, in the family, everywhere. So, if you read this book, you will never ever forget the essence of that particular remedy, which is the soul of the remedy, and it is beautifully named as well. So let's talk about Calcarea silicata, relatively uncommon remedy. Okay, so we have studied all the bigger polycrest remedies so far, Calcarea curve and Staphylos aureus and Pulsatilla and CPL. Now I want to talk about little lesser known remedy, which very few books will mention. One of them is Soul of Remedies. So in Soul says the situation of Calcarea silicata is that of teenagers belonging to the middle class of Indian society, especially boys who feel that a lot of expectations rests on them. They feel the need to come up to a certain standard to get the approval of their parents. And the Calcarea silicata patient has the fear of poverty, and so he has to be careful about spending money. Being poor puts him at a disadvantage, and therefore he becomes yielding. He cannot stand up or assert himself, and he would rather escape. He's not an obstinate as silica. And need to maintain a certain standard gives Calcarea silicata its sensitivity to reprimands. Here it compares with Staphylos aureus because it also has higher sensitivity and a sensitivity to reprimands. And then Sir describes, how it is different. So this is the way he describes. It will give you the kingdom, in the first few lines, he will tell you that, okay, this belongs to the fourth row of periodic table, and this row has this theme, and that is the background of calcium and silica, and when they come together, this is how the situation of Calcarea silicata. And this gives you a whole story or a pattern of that remedy. And I'm telling you, it is great to learn from Soul of Remedies because it is just, you just don't have to put the effort to memorize that. It's beautiful. Let's read further. See, the need to maintain a certain standard gives Calcarea silicata the sensitivity to reprimands. Here it compares with Staphylos aureus because the same thing. But what is different in Staphylos aureus? That he also becomes timid, bashful, yielding, irresolute, hesitant. Also, a lot of anticipatory anxiety, but Staphylos aureus does it for the honor, for the dignity. And Calcarea silicata does it for the image, okay, and for the money also, because third and fourth row is involved. So this is how you